Many dog shows use rope to mark out the area for the show ring. The problem with rope is that it can blend into the background, so you can't see where the rope is for the ring. It can be cumbersome, difficult to store, weighty, and of course it tangles. This dayglo ribbon tape is demarcation tape, very flexible and light, and it's easier to store so long as you've got a way to store it. I've made this dispenser for the tape. It's got a base, it's got a hand guard so you don't catch your hand, burn your hand on it, with an end cap, and then a reel for the tape to go on with a handle. The handle is simply a block of wood which drilled through with a machine screw and a couple of, just bring that in there, a couple of nylocks to keep it all nice and tight. The important thing with the reel is that the struts should be away from the inside, because as the tape tightens up, it will bring the struts in and will clamp onto the pole if you're not careful. There's lots of slack on there. This slot backwards and forwards so it doesn't get tight, and there's, you can see the gap through there. To start it off, get it through, and just wind it in. With all rings, you never know from one year to the next what size the ring's going to be, so there'll be different lengths for different stretches of ring. So simply tie each piece together to make a continuous length, rather than have lots and lots of short pieces on the reel, and just simply wind it in. And then the following year, when you set up, pull it out and then just rip it off at the junction or corner post, wherever you're going to end that run. On the end of the reel, there's two holes, and you simply push the end through for storage, and that will stop it from unrolling over the storage winter period. Quite simple and effective. All the wood is coated in primer. This is plywood. This is treated wood to stop it rotting. It's all treated with primer to raise the grain, so that when it's sanded down, it reduces the risk of getting any splinters in your fingers, or of course ripping the tape as well.